Uh, Hello everyone again, welcome to my channel. This is Modestus Okoye, the owner of Learner Series. So in this video again, I wanted to teach you guys how to make money through sharing or sponsor post. So it's not a hard task like so many used to complain, they used to shout, they used to cry, oh this is too harsh for me, I don't understand what is happening. Getpaid don't used to pay me, if I share sponsor they won't give me the money. They like complaining too much. So I decided to do this video to cover their fears. There's nothing to fear about. So if you watch this video from beginning to end, I'm telling you, your problem about how to share sponsor posts, all of them will be solved. So let's log in now. You can see how I used to log in. Just click on login. All my details are already entailed there. You know your username, you know your password. I'm not going to tell you that because I'm not the one that registered you. And if you haven't registered and you want to register, drop your number below in the comment section. Your WhatsApp numbers only, because I will shut you up and explain everything you have to know about this website. So when you log into your website, you click on home so that you'll be taken to the home page of this website. So once you go to the home page, what you have to do is check if they have uploaded the sponsor post for that day. You see it, this place side that everything is in yellow color. You can see it there. Sponsor post 1st of December to 18th. Oh, to be shared now. Oh, this is for December 1st and today is December 2nd. Okay, no problem. I'm just going to use that one to teach you guys how to share sponsor posts, but make sure the sponsor post you are sharing is for the day you are into. Do you understand? So today is December 2nd. Don't go and share sponsor post for December 1st. Do you understand? That's so simple. But I want to use this sponsor post here to teach you guys something. Not that I'm going to click to earn. I can share it on my Facebook account if I want, but I'm not going to click to earn. So once you click on the sponsor post, you will be taken to the page where they kept the sponsor posts. Some used to be pictures and copying some text. Some used to be sharing of posts to Facebook or Twitter. Do you understand? So once this loads automatically, let's go down, scroll down a bit. So you see the steps. Step 1, click here. Step 2, make sure you read the steps very well. If this is your first time, I have already read the steps more than 10 times, so I'm not going to read it again. So you see the place. Step 1, you click there. When you click here, you'll be taken to, you see I will take you to my Facebook Lite automatically. So I just set this one up, so there is nothing to worry about. I'm the one that sorts it up. So when I'm taken to my Facebook automatically, I'm taken to their page, and this is the post that I've written. I've already shared it. What you have to do is, you have seen that I like the post. When you like the post, you comment and you share the post. That's all you have to do. There's nothing much. That's the only thing you have to do. Once you have done it, you're already done for that site, and there's nothing again they're expecting from your hand. So if you have shared the sponsor post, I'm sorry, let me just go back to that place. Okay, once you have shared the sponsor post, you now come back to this place. You now scroll down, you see the place they wrote click here to earn. Once you have clicked there to earn, money will enter inside your dashboard. There's nothing too much in strange as sharing the sponsor post. So make sure you share the sponsor post well. If you have anything to ask me, you are confused on where to share the sponsor post to, or you're using Twitter and you don't know what to do, I'm willing to teach you well. So just drop your number on the comment section below. And how did you see this video? Is it nice? Is there anything I'm going to improve on it? Just tell me in the comment section below. So thank you so much, and please subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thank you.